Alright, man, here we are, DC SkyDiving Center. Who am I here with?
It's Tazz, man.
And what are you about to do, bro?
5,000 feet.
We're about to jump from 10,000 feet, man. This is our ride. You ready for this?
I might want to go back.
Get out of here, bro. Give me a high five. We'll see you out there, man. Woo!
What? Go the other one, man. Pull left. Everybody scared? Chantel, you next. All right.
Alright, dude, here we are back down on the ground, man. You made it, Tazz.
About to go again.
Right on, dude. What's your favorite part?
Jumping out.
Nothing like that, right?
Yeah, you just fall.
So you'll definitely be back again someday, man.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Hell yeah,
I'll
man.
come back next week.
Yeah, dude. We'll see you tomorrow, bro.
Yeah.
Glad you're here, man. Thanks for jumping with me. We'll see you next time at DC SkyDiving. Woo!